This is new. Nobody used this set of sofa, right? So this system must be very tight. Each seat must be very tight. Otherwise you can see hole. Okay? So in order to avoid the hole, we must keep every seat very tight, very close, narrow space over there. So now if I open, you can listen a little of noisy, but this is because leather is new, okay? If you use many time, up and down, up, open, close, disappear. Understand? In fact, I show you, if me now I do this, no noisy. Understand? It's just had the armrest and the seat, leather touching each other. Okay, but step by step disappear, no problem. All because this real leather. Many companies from China, also from Italy, from Korea, they put coating, so very sleepy, so no noisy, but that's coating. Understand? So when you touch, it feel like plastic, no leather. Understand? We don't use that style. We keep original leather. So it means that step by step, your sofa, after 5 years, 10 years, the leather will be more valuable. It's like Louis Vuitton bag. More you use Louis Vuitton bag, leather more beautiful, more soft, right? Dark, same. This same. So step by step, this problem disappear. It's not a problem, just new. Understand? It's like when you buy new shoes. Sometimes new shoes, a little bit pain, right? New shoes, but later using, no noisy, no pain, right? Because leather change. Sofa, same. So if you want really remove this noisy very fast for the showroom. Anyway, in the showroom, I suggest one seat keep open. So customer come, understand. Yeah. If you keep all closed, they think normal sofa. This is not normal sofa. Here there is less noisy. Why? Because leather different. This leather is very shine. Right? It's very, how to say, no sleepy, soft. Yes. Understand? That is not soft like this. That is more thick than this. That's why they are more noisy than this. Understand?
Okay, I understand.
Huh? If you check, the leather is different. This we call fiore, flower. You know flower? Flower. Flower means it's the high level of leather. You see this bottom? You see here you have all strange cut. Yes, the grain.
Yeah.
Here is grain, there is not without grain. That's why. Here more noisy, there not noisy. But later I repeat, disappear.
Okay.
Okay.
So, but the quality of this grain, this leather and this leather,
It's the same.
Same.
Same,
Okay.
same.